You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, a confusing word, which actually has a close enough meaning to the word or the verb pronounce. Enunciate. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar. Now this is to say or pronounce, but clearly, okay, so it's got a slightly different meaning. Enunciate. Enunciate. Some may pronounce it also as enunciate. That pronunciation also exists and is correct too. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.